What's on, guys? Today is Saturday, which can mean only one thing. It's tutorial time. In this week's video, we're going to be going over 5 easy steps to get you started with transition skating. So, in this video, our 5 steps that we're going to be going over are positioning, pumping, and then we're going to do backside and frontside kick turns and finish it off with dropping in. So for the positioning, we're going to go through 2 different types. One is where your body is, and the other is your foot positioning. The positioning on the ramp, you're going to just put yourself right in the middle, so you've got lots of space around you. You're not going to crash into anyone or anything. Second thing we're going to go into is foot positioning. So for mini ramp skating, I go front foot right on the bolts, side on, back foot just on that tail. All right, so you've got some control over the board, and then you're going to want your shoulders right over your feet, so you're side on, head to the side, looking where you're going. Okay, so got our foot positioning on the board, we got our position on the ramp, we're going to do some pumping. So pumping is a great way to control your speed on the ramp without taking your feet off the board. You can speed yourself up, you can slow yourself down. Going to help you in all kinds of skating, basically. You're going to use pumping all the time. It's a really easy one. It's just like I said, where you have your shoulders over your feet for your positioning, your head sideways going where you're going, and then all you're doing is pumping those knees up and down. Keeping that back really straight, it's all in those knees, down and up, down and up. And this push is what gets you that speed through the transition. You're pushing up, and you push down. Pump up, and then pump down, pump up, pump down. Now, if you need to slow down, if you do that pump motion in the wrong place, it will slow you right down till almost a stop. There you have it. So now you've mastered your pumping, you're probably a bit bored of going straight up and down the ramp. I'm going to try and introduce some kick turns. For kick turns, we're going to learn backside and frontside because I think it's best to do both. Don't get stuck just turning one way. Backside, you turn towards your toes, and on frontside, you're turning towards your heels. So with both the kick turns, the key to it for me, it's really easy to learn. It's just working your way from your heads all the way down to your feet. So first of all, your head turns, so you look where you're going. Then your shoulders go, which follows your head. Your hips are going to follow your shoulders, which brings your feet round as well. So your whole body is working in unison to bring that frontside kick turn round. And backside. And backside. And frontside. So backside kick turns may be a little bit easier to learn at first, but if you learn the frontside one with it, you're going to progress through skating so much easier and quicker finding those grinds. I'd really suggest trying to learn them both. To finish this video, we're going to do dropping in, which is obviously what everyone wants to learn. And you can do it on any ramp after you've got it done, but I would start off on a slightly smaller ramp, make it easier for yourself. If you need to, you can get someone there to help you, maybe hold your hand, just because dropping in is mainly a mental game. It's going to scare you a whole lot, but then once you do that first one, you're on. It's easy from then on out. Real simple to start with. I just want you to be able to get your board over the coping, truck on the edge there so your wheels are touching, and you want to be able to hold it here with the foot that you're going to be dropping in with, just nice and steady. So now from here, you're ready to drop in. All you got to do is bring your foot onto the front of that board and push down. You're aiming to get the wheels to the wood as fast as possible. Lean right in and go for it. No hesitation. So thanks for watching our video today, guys. Just always remember, if you're going to go out and try some of these tricks, stay within your limit, all right? Don't try push yourself too hard. Don't try just drop in a vert ramp straight away. It might not end the way you want it to. But saying that, progression is key, so make sure you push yourself a little bit to want to land these tricks. It's really going to help you out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in next week for some street trick tips.